empty my deep fryer, and Bonnie's low on a couple quarts of oil, so hey. Yeah, I gotta take it to work tomorrow, so I want to make sure she's good and ready to go.
Burr.
Good day to do an oil change. This is what we're going to be putting in there today.
Oh, that looks healthy.
Oh, jeez.
That looks healthy.
Take the basket out. Oh, yeah. That's about a 40 weight.
That's pretty.
Holy Nikes, that looks good. Looks like caramel. Try some, Dan. Come here, Dan. Try some. Bonneville's gonna love it. Thanks, Randy.
Thanks, Rand.
I've done it again, you son of a bitch. Oh, that's not gonna be good for anyone. Dog will lick that up.
It's pretty.
And she was just down a quart or two, so I just figured oil is oil. The most important thing is we're gonna get that stuff on the bottom of the deep fryer there. We're gonna scoop some of that in there. That'll probably help it run a little better. Some good additives. That's not enough oil. Just gonna get something to scoop that out.
I don't want to get near that thing.